Hey, I'm Chrishinda, creator of Learn to Braid and Twist, and I offer live, one-on-one beginner classes where I teach you to braid and twist. For your lesson, you have the option of using braiding hair, a mannequin, or a human model. If you decide to take your lesson using braiding hair, you're going to need something to attach the hair to in order to practice. So I'm going to show you a few different things around my home to give you an idea of things that you can use in yours. First, here's a demonstration of how I loop the hair around whatever I'm attaching it to. Here I'm using a 10-drawer cart. Here I'm using the handle of a fabric storage cube. Here I'm using the push handle and the canister handle of my vacuum. Now I'm going to be using the legs of my ironing board. Here I'm using my laundry basket. You just want to make sure it's something inside it so the laundry basket can stay in place. Here I'm using my doorknob. Now I'm using the poles of my stepladder. Here I'm just using a decorative basket full of stuff so that it stays in place. Here I'm using the poles of my shoe rack. Here I'm using our small basketball rack. And lastly, a mannequin head table clamp. I can't wait to see you once you book your one-on-one braid or twisting lesson with me. And for more information, visit me at HeyChrishinda.com. Also, follow me on my socials at HeyChrishinda and Learn to Braid and Twist.